We just finished our morning training here at 8 o'clock in the morning, and we focus on marketing, right? So especially in today's real estate market, there's a shift in the market. Today is August 2018, and to get the home sold in today's market, you definitely have to look for a marketing. The focus is basically on the marketing, right? The 4 common mistakes the owners make when they're selling their homes in today's 2018. This morning we are talking about marketing, right? Today is August 2018. The market, there's a shift in the real estate market today, August 2018, in San Gabriel Valley, in Los Angeles County, or in Southern California. Huge market shift in real estate market. This could be a big opportunity. The market is not slowing down. There's a lot of news articles. Basically, people are saying market slow down, but that's not accurate. If you look at the facts, the sales, the number of sales throughout is the same. In fact, in our team, every single month since last year, since 2016, 2017, in fact 2018, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, today is August 2018, every month we are still booking between 300 to 400 buyers appointments every single month. And so the market is not an accurate statement to say the market is slowing down, because the market is not. The buyers still buying. Buyers are ready, willing, and able. These are all cash buyers. In fact, in our database, we have over 30,000 buyers in waiting. Every single month, we are approving and we are qualifying at least between 300 to 400 buyers every single month, including this month, January, February, March, April, June, July, August 2018. So, and that's a fact. That doesn't change, right? So what changed is that the pricing maybe hit the limit, because in California most people are moving out of state. So when you are selling in today's market, August 2018, if you are thinking of selling your home, what you need to focus on is, what you need to hire is not a real estate agent. You don't need a real estate agent to sell your home in 2018. It's going to cost you a lot of money. What you need is a real estate agent with a marketing guy. Here in our team, every day at 8 o'clock for the past 10 years, our main focus is always the same. We are a marketing machine, right? Who happen to have a real estate license. So that's the logic. When we talk about marketing, what are we talking about? So this is an example of what we discussed this morning. For example, this morning we are mastermind about our radio marketing system. We are masterminding about our RBIT, titanium certified RBIT auction sales system. This morning we are also talk about our billboards, our radio, our online marketing system, our Facebook campaign, our direct mail, our newspaper campaign. So we hit it by online and offline, right? So we gotta dominate the marketplace that way. So what happened is that each day, every month, every year, the buyers are calling our team. That's how in our team we have over 30,000 buyers in waiting, and every single one of them already pre-approved, pre-qualified, and not only pre-approved, pre-qualified, they are actually being attached with one of my selling partners. So every day we are on the ground showing them homes that match their criteria, actively looking for homes that match their criteria. So the buyers are there, the money are there. This is not like in 2008 when the buyers have no money. Today, the buyers are there, they're willing, ready, and able, the money is there, they're working with our buyer's agent, my partners every day looking at homes. So when we talk about, so today, if you're thinking of selling your home, to get your home sold for top dollars, for more money, with no hassle, in today's market, what you need is to hire a marketing guy who happen to have a real estate license, right? Because in California, we are required to have license. So when we talk about, so this is some of the questions you need to when you are interviewing somebody, a real estate agent, to sell your home. There are 7 big questions, but the number one question before we're gonna go into the top 7 questions we need to ask is this: hey, show me what's your marketing plan. Show me your written marketing campaign to get my home sold for more money in today's market. Show me what are you doing differently than the typical real estate agents. Show me, especially in today's market, I can just put my home directly on the MLS. I can hire a discount brokers, put it on the MLS. How are you gonna net me more money? How are you gonna generate multiple offers for my homes within 3 weeks in today's market, August 2018? What is your marketing plan? Show me the return marketing plan, right? So in our team, one of the examples is this. If you are thinking of selling your home, what we are saying is that your home sold guaranteed, or I'll step in and buy it myself, right? We actually put that in writing. This is not just a promise. So we put it in writing that if we don't sell your home, we have a predetermined price and time that we're gonna step in, take responsibility. See, the problem in real estate industry is that most real estate agents, there's no accountability. All right, and then the next thing we're gonna leave off with that today is that one of the most common mistakes homeowners make when they're hiring a real estate agent is that they're hiring a Mr. Nice Guy, right? Just because somebody who's a nice person. See, everybody's nice, right? The question is this. This is the most expensive asset in your life. This has got to be beyond Mr. Nice Guy. What's the concrete plan? You're hiring a marketing guy. What's the plan? This is not just hiring a Mr. Nice Guy. Can they get the job done? What is the proven track record? Show me a tangible plan. For in our team, it's really simple because we already been doing all the marketing over the past 10 years. We already have the marketing machine that every day bringing in ready, willing, and able buyers looking to buy homes in the area through our billboards, through our Zillow campaign, online campaign, Google campaigns, our radio, our direct mail, our newspapers, right? So throughout all this combination, this is how we already build. So we already have we call it our buyers in waiting. So when you're thinking of selling your home, this is how we generate multiple offers for your home in today's market. Plus, this morning, we just launched our brand new, never before, titanium certified Arbit homes. Essentially, what happened is with this titanium certified Arbit home selling system is that we are putting your home in a multiple offer in less than 2 weeks, guaranteed. Right? So if you're thinking of selling your home, call 626-789-0159. Again, your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy it. To discuss the sale of your home, call 626-789-0159. So I can show you our 27 marketing steps, including our brand new. There's no one else. There's nobody. Really, we have no competition. But I challenge you to find there's no one that's doing this, where we guaranteed our titanium certified Arbit home selling system, where we guaranteed your home multiple offers in less than 2 weeks.